puzzle game. Let's see what this toy has. There are 2 hammers, 36 game levels, an LCD scoring display, light and sound, and English and Spanish. Those are the 2 languages that we can choose. Okay, let's open this up. Yay! Okay. Okay, got it off. And now we just need to open this box. Oh, look. I'll get it out. Oh, look at the hammers. Oh, they're so pointy. And, whoa, the mold. Yeah. Okay, now we just need to wear the battery. Oh, the L1 is the training mode, and the L2 is the English mode, and the L3 is the Spanish goo mode. Okay, so let's get this thing off. Okay, now we just need a screwdriver to open this up, and then we'll put the batteries on. Okay? And now we're gonna open this thing up. Oh man, that's tighting thing. Maybe this is enough, I think. Oh yes. Now we just need to put the batteries. Let's get the batteries. Guys, we need 3 of AAA batteries. And now to put them in. Ah, there. Okay, we just need to do that and the last one. That. Make sure to put this tight. Okay, so let's put this thing in and then screw it with the screwdriver. Oh man, this is hard. Oh, it's it. There you go, it's getting in. Okay guys, let's get it in. There it goes. I just need to do some little right here. Okay, now let's start again. Oh! Whoa! Man, this is great! Whoa! Man! Oh man! Whack! Whack! Yeah! Yeah! 39! Oh, I'm doing it. There we go. Oh. Wait, what is it? Oh man. 54! One more to go. The total score is 54, I think. My score is 54, guys. That's a lot. Okay. Let's play again. Yes, Rose, you're always fast. Now. 13? I think I didn't do very well on this round, but it's okay. Let's see the next mode. level 2. This is not the training mode. So let's do this.
Ready, please choose. E.
Okay.
Oh, you did it wrong.
Whoa! I went right. Guys, now I'm gonna say the pros and cons of this toy. The pros are it has cool sounds and lights of the LCD. Those are the cool lights I was talking about. And the second pro is it has a track of the score right here. So like when I hit the hammer on the ball, it turns 1. If I did it like so many times, it'll like appear how many times I did it. So that's it. Look, am I doing? Oh, 1, and then 2, 3, 4. So that's how it gets higher and higher when we like pump it off. So I'm gonna do it. How to stop this thing on? There we go. Stopped it. The third pro is it challenges kids to like look and act fast. And then there's only one con of this toy I found. It's like too loud and annoying with this thing. So like I'm gonna on it and it's like so loud. Let's see. Okay? So it's so annoying, right? It's so annoying. So that's what I was talking about. But that doesn't matter, okay? So bye-bye, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.